what up everyone, my name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as welcoming you to another exciting episode of Soccer Forensics. Ntwana Ukraine.
Boy.
Sweet man.
Oh good my boy.
Sure.
Welcome guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Eokanti up until La Ekasi. Nsithola sishisa my boy.
Sure.
Sithatha Vandag my boy.
Ntwana yami Vandag ngifuna sithathe sibeke the mighty Sirobas. Kusikamamindeli isigodi.
Hey wena man.
Orlando Pirates, they've announced the signing of Master Chef Sipho Mbule, the Beckham Free State porn star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This announcement Ntwana ikuthole uva, and were you surprised about them mentioning ukuthi untwana uzojoin aboni Pirates?
And then I was surprised because like we've been waiting for ukuthi Chiefs is going to move. Chiefs is going to move since we've heard Mark Makap saying has offered Sipho Mbule to Kaizer Chiefs.
To Kaizer Chiefs, yeah.
So now boom, Orlando Pirates have signed the Master Chef. I
was also surprised. I was also surprised because now I was really rooting for you guys to like snatch him.
Yeah.
Just to give you guys depth lapper on the middle field. I'm
sure. Yeah.
But now I guess like since your arch rivals Bamkovile,
yeah,
it's gonna be tough for you guys to even win the Soweto derby, because I guess like everything just sparks, like it's just fireworks whenever there's like a Soweto derby in South Africa.
Sure.
So, do you think Pirates will be able to manage him, since Untwana, he was released by Mamelodi Sundowns after offering him, not even offering, but loaning him to Ident. It's Kukun.
Yeah.
Him coming to Orlando Pirates, do you think they'll be able to manage him?
Yeah, and then phela direct uyibheke ezinale ya coach yabo Abdel.
Yeah.
Although uthi yena the player depend on the management. Uyangithola if you work closely to the player, like now luyakhumbula like liba manageable uyangithola. So nalo just that ukukhumbula ukuthi like ulokukhumbuza ukuthi okay lifestyle yakho akumelanga irune i-career yakho. Yeah, so ngicabanga ukuthi uMaster Chef Ntwana naye ufundile uyangithola. So bekuloku khulunywa ngoMaster Chef all along uyangithola. Lokhu khulunywa ngoMaster Chef naye I'm sure lento le iyamshaya psychological naye ukuthi azikhuphule uyangithola like sekamdala manje kwamele naye azicabangele. He's 27 years of age
right
so
now.
Yeah, so ngicabanga ukuthi naye Ntwana angeke aphi in the plunder efana
nayo. So
yeah, because it might happen futhi ukuthi uyenze ngoba like he want to move from Mamelodi Sundowns, because because angisho bebamlo onila, like we're not going to talk about is Cocoon. Yeah, because bebamlonile lapha, yeah, and being loaned to somewhere by Mamelodi Sundowns, khumbule ukuthi you don't play against Mamelodi Sundowns
when you are loaned.
Yeah, so like lento leyo nayo yamlimit kwamanye amagame uyangithola, and ma uyiloni player ukhumbule ukuthi nabo coach abarely kuwe kakhulu, because they know ukuthi like you'll return to your parents' lap.
True. You have chances, not like it's guaranteed, but you have chances of returning to your parent lap.
Yeah, so amagame time azoba limited uyangithola to the loanee club uyangithola. So I think nazo ezinye futhi ekumele sizibheke lezo ukuthi maybe nazo lezo ziyezamshaya ngithola like naye bekazifunela indawo azoyazi ukuthi uyoba settle khona, abe comfortable as ukuthi ay game time uyayithola noma kanjani.
Uyayithola on each and every match. Before siyafera Ntwana, let's just talk about the squad Pirates manje, bringing in Mbule lapha in the middle field. Kuzoba ubani siyapredict khona manje boy.
And like le combination le cabanga uPatrick Tito Maswanganye.
Hey wena yasithembi.
Akuphethe uMaster Chef upheka kuphela uyadisha nje kuphela. Ntwana come la move ubalance ngobani ngombatha ama talent awafana. Or else uletha ubani uletha umakhehlisi kehlezi mntana kehle so atana ibheka yo
Nsizedlenye
ntana nalilo liya yes
kuzoba nzima boy.
Yeah, they're coming abintwana they're coming so we to abintwana will be buzzing because ubheka uSipho Mbule una this South African flair no Patrick Tito Masanga
as well,
so ngicabanga zihlanya kakhulu lezi apha kunaleni intwana le umfukeng makuthi ayivayi uyangithola
but he has to go
apha kunonkotha ngaphansi azokubulala ya taking le ntwana
I'm pretty happy, like I am glad.
Ngapha kusana le left back uDlamini yo Shenko
ubakhumbula ubabiza so
ntwana kunale left back like the well educated left back Shenko
I think it's ilento Pirates is just beefing up their squad. I don't think they lack too much on the good players, like good quality players.
Yeah.
But it's just in terms of beefing up their squad, going back to Elend. Kef.
Sure.
Yangchol.
Yeah.
I'm pretty glad, and even when the new coach arrived, he's speaking well of him, and it looks like he does have plans. Ubizwe.
Yeah.
He does have plans for Umbule Pirates.
Yeah.
But angazi boy. We just have to watch how everything unfolds and cross fingers untwana anga shy
yeah sure,
yeah.
True.
Elokugcina boy, I think we just have to mention all the cups that Umbule anazo, like his stats yangithola.
Yeah.
I think like everything that he has currently, he won it with Mamelodi Sundowns, ne?
Sure.
How many cup leagues does he have?
He won 2 league cups with Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
And 1 MTN 8. Then the other one it's AFL, ne?
Yeah, AFL.
Yeah, that AFL cup,
Yeah. Nah, it's pretty much cool. I think we are wrapping it up currently. Anything you want to add, my boy?
Nothing much. I just wanted us to unpack this Sipho Mbule
news, ne?
Yeah. So yeah, man. I hope it's a great move for Sipho Mbule and Orlando Pirates as a club.
Guys, just don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on the notification bell so you can get the latest videos whenever we're releasing. Like, share, subscribe, guys.
Yeah, from me to you, one love, peace.
Soccer Forensics, we out.